right, we're starting off with 2 cans of chili with the beans in our crock pot. All right, we're just gonna flatten that out so that we can place our 16 ounces of Velveeta cheese right on top of our chili. Yummy. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious game day appetizer. Next, I'm gonna add 2 blocks of 8 ounces of cream cheese right on the sides. Yum. All right, we're coming in with our original chili seasoning, and we're gonna use this whole packet of seasoning right in there with our cheeses and our chili. Woo-hoo, it smells so good already. I'm coming in with 2 cans of my diced jalapenos, and we're gonna put that right on there. Oh, that's gonna add a little bit of heat, but if you don't like too much heat, you can do green chilies instead. We have 1 red bell pepper that we diced up, and we are just gonna sprinkle that right on top of our cheeses and our jalapenos and that chili. Oh, this is the ultimate game day appetizer because you got chili, you got cheeses, you got everything you would ever want all in the crock pot. We have 1 white onion that we diced, and we're sprinkling that right on top. We're giving this, appetizer a lot of substance, which is the best part. Believe it or not, that was not enough cheese, so we have our 1 pound of Colby Jack cubes that we are gonna throw in there as well. Make sure those cubes are nice and separated and spread out. They're gonna melt and just combine with that chili, that Velveeta, the cream cheese, and all of that other veggie deliciousness. But this is ready to start cooking. We're gonna go ahead and put our lid on, and we are gonna set this on high. All right, it's been 2 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and pop this on warm because we wanna make sure that it stays warm during the game. Oh, look at that cheese. It completely melted. It's time to give this a good mix. Oh, this is the ultimate game day dip. We have the cheddar cheese, the Velveeta, the cream cheese, the chili, the jalapenos. What more can you ask for? Look how steamy and hot this is. And you just want to make sure you get this completely mixed together. This is so great for football season. I cannot wait to make this every Sunday because it will get eaten up. And I did use the chili with beans, as I mentioned, chili that has no beans. It's just a preference thing. So let's just really give this a good mix.
It smells so good.
It smells amazing. Oh my gosh, all right. Our chili cheese dip is ready. Oh, and the only thing suitable for this dip is our Fritos Sweets. I'm so excited. It's gonna be way too good.
I want to see it.
Woohoo! It's gonna be really hot.
It's good, huh?
You guys are gonna love this one.